The kind king. In the vast kingdom of Eldoria, there reigned a wise and benevolent king named Adrian. King Adrian, with a crown of glistening jewels atop his silver hair, ruled with a heart that beat for the well-being of his subjects. His kingdom, nestled between towering mountains and fertile valleys, thrived under his just and compassionate rule. One day, as King Adrian strolled through the bustling marketplace, he overheard the whispers of the people. Some spoke of their dreams, while others shared their worries. Touched by the concerns of his subjects, King Adrian decided to embark on a journey disguised as a commoner to better understand the joys and challenges faced by those outside the palace walls. During his travels, King Adrian encountered a humble farmer named Emma, who, unaware of his true identity, welcomed him into her modest home. King Adrian, donning simple attire, worked alongside Emma in the fields, gaining first-hand knowledge of the toils and triumphs of the common folk. As the seasons passed, King Adrian's appreciation for his subjects deepened. He discovered the importance of fair taxation and enacted policies to alleviate the burdens on the farmers. His commitment to education led to the establishment of schools in remote villages, providing opportunities for children who had never dreamed of holding a book. King Adrian's journey also brought him face to face with a group of artisans struggling to preserve their traditional crafts. Recognizing the cultural richness they brought to the kingdom, he supported their endeavors and ensured their skills were passed down to future generations. Upon his return to the palace, King Adrian implemented sweeping reforms, transforming Eldoria into a beacon of prosperity and unity. The people, once burdened by the weight of hardship, now thrived under a ruler who understood their needs and aspirations. King Adrian's benevolent reign became legendary, and his story echoed beyond the borders of Eldoria. Other rulers sought his counsel, and neighboring kingdoms looked to emulate the harmony he had cultivated within his realm. The legacy of King Adrian lived on, not only in the grand structures and policies he implemented but also in the hearts of the people who remembered him as the compassionate monarch who walked among them.